Hey guys, hello there, welcome or welcome back to Manpreet's Den. So today I have these many packages I have to unbox for all of you. So let's get started. Hey guys, good evening, Jodh. Oh, nice. Before starting anything else, most of my products are related to makeup. So I wanted to be done with this. So this is a very new brand which I tried recently. It's Stalio. It's completely unpaid because nobody knows me, of course, you know. I just have 43 subscribers, so please guys subscribe. So I got these earrings from there, and this is the one which I'm wearing currently, this bow shaped one, and this is the other one. These are so pretty. Like, I didn't expect it to get this high quality and everything in just 250 rupees. I paid for two earrings with delivery charge, which was somewhere right around 29 rupees. So it was a good buy. I really like these earrings. They are really very good for like office purposes or the time when you don't want to like do much of makeup. Like, so you don't want to exercise much and you want to keep it subtle. You can for sure go for these types of earrings. So I bought two. I'm planning on buying 2 to 3 more for my office. So I'll show them to you all. I will show them also. But meanwhile, these are the purchases and I'm in love with it. So Estelle, if you are listening this, hooray. Now, starting with my Nykaa haul. These are all the products which I got from Nykaa's birthday sale. So every time a sale comes, I get mad. So this is it. So the very first product which I have here is Swiss Beauty's foundation brush. I had highlighter brush, I had a eyeshadow brush, and I also had a blush wala brush, but I never had a foundation brush. So I wanted to complete my vanity. Therefore, I got this one. Now, about the bristle quality, if you'll ask me, that is very nice. I also used it today on my face. So all over, it was nice. I liked it. If anybody want to try it, like in a affordable range, it is in affordable range. Thank God. So you can always go for it. This is very good. The bristles and everything is too soft on your face. The foundation doesn't get much absorbed by it. Like, I've used it 2 times and there's not much foundation on the brush. So what I feel is that it's a very good foundation brush. You can obviously go for it. Now, the second product is this, which I'm using from a very long time. So I'll show every product which I got from Nykaa. So this is the Moody's Vitamin C face wash. If anybody saw my last video, which was like my whole weekend routine, you see I was using the same face wash and I am again buying it. So I always keep it in stock. It's my favorite one. Now, my holy grail for my scalp, like I have a very rich dandruff scalp, so I cannot live without that Scalp Pro. I have to use it like every week. I don't like, if I'm washing my hair twice a week, I use it once a week, but I have to use it. Now, the third product which I bought, even I'm excited to use it. This is the very first time I bought this from this brand. I haven't bought any of their product. This is Indus Valley Hair Ease Spa Cream. So I wanted to include something else in my hair care regime. From a very long time, I was using Dove's hair cream on my hair, but I wanted to try something new. So this time I bought this one. Let's see. Now for this third product, so sorry, this is also not from Nykaa. I got it from their original brand, Fitku. So this is actually a alum roll-on. It came in a very good packaging, and if you ask me about everything, like I have used it this also once only. So, but what I feel is that it's a completely alum stone, nothing else in it. You can also buy Fitcurry from nearby your store, or that Fitcurry soap or cube which you get. You can buy that. That would work entirely the same. But while I was studying this, I got to know that there is a difference between alum stone which we get in the market and these ones. These are made like the entirely block is always intact. Something like about the gaps or something. There is a difference. Maybe if you would find it in if you want to know about it much deeper, you can always search it. So therefore, I went to buy this costlier one. It costed me 6.99. If I would have got a soap from nearby shop, I would have bought it for just rupees 200 or 100 rupees. But what I feel in one time using it, that yes, there was no sweat, everything was good. But of course, I'll have to use it more, like entirely 2 to 3 months, and then I would be able to review it very nicely. But yeah, this is my recent purchase. Now, uh, let's see. Let's see what we have here. So in this box, yes. So this is a product which Insta made me buy. So this is Vedic Lines Astringent. Yes, it's nothing fancy. It's just an astringent which I've got from my elbows, knees, and my neck because it tends to get dark in 2 to 3 days. So I bought it. Let's see. I don't know. I got a review of it on Insta, and there it was like they proposed it to be very nice. So I thought, why not to give it a try? Let's work it out. Let's see, and I'll let you know like how good it was. Now the product which I swear by is Mad Habits products. Like, I'm a big fan of those. But apart from being a fan, these are the two products which I'm using for my hairs for a very long time. This is the shampoo and this is the conditioner. This is their 9 Care Potion Curry Cider range. So yeah, this had worked for my hairs very nicely. This is my second purchase. Like, the first one is completely used, completely gone. I stocked it up in the Nykaa sale, and it's never happens that I'm using a face shampoo twice, the same brand twice. But this is the very first time a brand made me stuck. So for any people who are facing huge hair fall issue like me, you can for sure go for these. Prior to that, if you remember, I was using certain other brands with a cleansing balm, but this time I'm trying of Olivia. Let's see, I got it from Nika's purchase. It was their bestseller. I was looking for a oil. I have tried balms and they have worked nicely for my face, but I wanted to go and try oils also. But all the oils were quite costlier, so I wanted something in an affordable range. It costed me 325, like the MRP is 325. I think I got it somewhere around 290 or 300. So yeah, I'm excited to try this. I'm actually trying to find what is left. And at the very end, and at the very end, this product I've also used it on my face today. So if you know me, you know me that I'm not a foundation person. I never go for foundations. I always just do a good eye makeup, a good blush, highlighter, and I'm sorted for the day. I never do base like concealing or foundationing. Is not my cup of tea prior to this. So this is Insights Radiance foundation with in the shade Too Light. So yeah, I brought the fair one, Spelle, and it was too fair for my skin tone. So I went and bought this light one. This completely matches my shade. I'm so happy with the foundation. The formulation and everything is like top notch. Inside you have done it again. It's like somewhere below 300 and it's too good. So these are all the products which I bought in the Nykaa sale. Do let me know if for any specific product you want a full review. I'll review it for you all, and I'll also try these products for like a month, and then I'll again let you know like how much these new products work for me. And for such type of content, if you're liking it, please follow for more. Please like, share, subscribe, and just be a part of my journey. Thank you. Bye bye.